y'all, welcome to my channel, DOZZY'S Life. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make mashed potatoes with roasted garlic. What you're going to need is a piece of foil, put some oil on top of your garlic and a little bit of salt, and go on ahead and throw that in the oven at 350 for about 25-30 minutes, and you have roasted garlic, baby. So what you're doing now is you're going to take all them skins off your potatoes that you pre-boiled. Go ahead and take them skins off and all them little black spots, so we can go ahead and get this thing to whipping, y'all. We're gonna whip this to death. Okay, put your butter in there and put your roasted garlic up in this thing, yeah, because we're about to go ahead and spin it. Do you hear me? Get you some salt and some pepper, or just season however you please. Go ahead and put it in your mixer. I use my stand mixer for this because I want this to be nice and whipped. Look at them trying to jump out of there. I don't know where they think they're going, but anyway, we're going to continue to whisk or mix this thing to death. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and let it do what it do. And as it is doing what it is doing, get your heavy whipping cream and go ahead and just put you a little bit in at a time, just a little bit, because you do want to be able to have some kind of stability to your potatoes. You do not want them to fall through that fork, so just a little bit at a time, and that way I am done with this part of it. So now it is whisking up real good, y'all. I think it is about done. We about ready to go ahead and chop these on up in our mouth. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. If only you can smell this right here, y'all. It is done. Do you hear me? It is ready. So we just gonna go on ahead and we're gonna taste test this baby right now. If you need some extra salt, pepper, or whatever kind of season that you use, go on ahead and do that now before you put this on the table. Look at them garlic mashed potatoes, baby. Now, if you want any other recipes, go on ahead and check me out at DOZZY'S Life on YouTube. We have a lot of things going on over there. And if you like, you can go on ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up over there and right here. Bye, y'all.